Beautiful nature. You can see the ducks over there. Let me see if I can zoom for you. Can you see them? Enjoying the morning.
Enjoying the morning, having a little bit of food.
The train is passing, cars driving past with loud music. Yeah, we threw away that wild garlic and we went for, there's loads of it. That one, someone had done their business nearby. But anyway, it's like all this is wild garlic. Yeah, it smells really nice.
Also, this is your blackberry bushes.
Now we are where the water is. Oh, this wild garlic is everywhere. I wonder if you can take it and transplant it.
You can, yeah. This is why I like walking around here, because it's so tranquil. Just wish I had a dog. You got your bluebells, your white bells. You got your, I think those are dandelions.
Yes, the yellow ones are dandelions.
But look at the wild garlic. It's just
It's everywhere. It's absolutely everywhere. I think I'm going to take another, if I can. I think I'll get a stick and I will. Here, hold.
Here we go. We got go.
With a stick. So hard.
As you can see, these leaves that she's digging out are quite young. They haven't flowered yet. So I think Gogo's going to transplant them into a pot back home. And then they will probably go to Zimbabwe.
That's obvious.
You can't beat nature. Nature is fantastic.
Oh, maybe they will do. They haven't come out with their roots because the soil is quite hard. So let's see. I think that's enough of what we do. Look at this interwoven tree. Whether it's an ivy that, yes, that has grown to do this. That's nice. And I can see most of them are like that. You can see these trees. And you can see this one as well, with an ivy. Which path do you take? Let's go then. You know, you can use this tree to go the other side, or that one as a bridge.
I wouldn't fancy doing it. Not with my leg.
No, look, it just fell over and you can use it as a tree, or that one.
Probably a light.
As a bridge. I said as a tree, as a bridge. Somebody did cut this one. That's why it's dry up there. Oh, both of them were cut, look, from the bottom. Right, oh. The ford. And the cars will come from there. It's nice and cute. The sound of the birds. And here the water is still, but it's flowing. So apparently that thing nettle is eaten. This one here. It's a nice veg. The one with like leaves that are nice.
Make tea.
You can make tea out of the sting nettle as well. You see the sound of the birds. So you said it's called a junction point?
It's a water junction point.
And then
so you would turn these wheels, and that would let the water flow into the mill.
The mill that was there a long time ago.
Yeah, over 100 years ago.
Now not. I thought that was the water we drink. I was like, what? This is where we came for our allotment, but we gave it up. And then the allotment, we have to turn right where this arrow is indicating, and we are going back home on this side. Wasn't that?
Yeah, it's
So they removed it so that they can take their cars in, innit?
I don't think they removed it.
They did. It was removed.
I think it was.
Look, another one was here.